Lovey-dovey rhymes, lovey-dovey. In a land so bright where colors play, lived little critters in a happy way. Each one special with colors so true. Let's meet them now one by one for you. Rosy the ladybug, red and sweet, danced on roses with tiny feet. She spread red hearts wherever she'd go, making love and joy gently flow. Bobo the Raindrop, cool and blue, bounced on puddles with a splashy crew. He made the sky sing a rainy song and helped the rainbow come along. Sunny the duckling, yellow and bright, quacked with joy in the morning light. She spread sunshine with her happy face and made Colorland a cheerful place. Gigi the leaf fairy, green and small, loved to twirl in the leaves of fall. She painted trees in emerald hue and hid in forests fresh with dew. The kitten, orange and sly, chased warm sunbeams as they passed by. He purred with joy in the golden glow and loved to nap where oranges grow. Pip the grape, purple and brown, loved to bounce on the grapevine ground. She threw great parties with music and cheer, and danced till dusk when stars appeared. Puffy the cotton candy, pink and light, floated around in the carnival night. Soft and sweet with a giggly sound, she spread pink fluff all around. Benny the bunny, brown and snug, jumped through fields with a chocolate hug. He nibbled carrots soft and sweet and bounced around on tiny feet. Whisker the polar bear, white and cold, snuggled in snow so fluffy and bold. She loved to roll on snowy hills with frosty fun and chilly thrills.